If you would had purchased Bitcoin for $100 in 2010, you would now be worth of 24 million US dollars. You must have passed up the opportunity before. You now have the potential to invest in the much larger vision. Buy Bitcoin today and you would have more than 50 million US dollars before 2025. One day, every individual on earth will have Bitcoin and they will utilize, buy, sell to conduct daily transactions using Bitcoin. Bitcoin's worth will surpass that of Apple, Google, Tesla, Facebook combined. With amazing price lock feature, you will never lose a penny and your basic investment will be safe always. With Bitcoin, you can purchase great quality stuff at very discounted prices. So, buy Bitcoin today and become the next millionaire. Please subscribe to the channel for further updates.